Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Stinky Feet. Ingredients: 10 to 15 drops of tea tree oil, 1/2 cup of Epsom salt, 5 to 10 drops of lavender oil, and 1.5 to 1 gallon of water. Instructions: fill a foot bath or a large basin with warm water. You want enough water to cover your feet up to your ankles. Dissolve 1/2 cup of Epsom salt, add 10 to 15 drops of tea tree oil and 5 to 10 drops of lavender oil and stir well to ensure the Epsom salt is dissolved. How to use: soak your feet in the solution for about 15 to 20 minutes. Afterwards, thoroughly dry your feet, especially between the toes, where moisture can linger and cause bacteria to grow. You can use this foot bath 1 to 2 times a week to help reduce foot odor. Ensure you keep your feet clean and dry, and change your socks daily to maintain foot hygiene. How it works: tea tree oil contains terpenin 4-OL, which is an antibacterial and antifungal. It helps to kill bacteria that causes those pesky odors to pucker your face and want to make you run away. Lavender oil contains lamalol and lanollyl acetate, which is an antiseptic and anti-inflammatory. It helps to soothe the skin and prevent the growth of the odor-causing microbes. Epsom salt contains magnesium, which can regulate the activity of various enzymes in the body that promote foot health. It also reduces swelling and draws out toxins from your feet. When these are all combined, not only are you promoting better foot health, but you are also helping to rid yourself of the dreaded stinky feet. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe for new content added daily.